गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स एंड व्यूअर्स। सो कल जहाँ पे हमने yesterday we left that we will continue today. Physics we will continue. These are the cases which we discussed yesterday. First was inclined plane. This is starting soon. So these are the cases that we discussed yesterday. Inclined plane. And then this is the I told you yesterday this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. This is the x-axis. So I have already proved it. So n is this direction. This is the n, and here we have this triangle. Just delete it out. This is the triangle. We'll join this line. So this is the f of x, this is the f of y. This is mg here. Sorry, triangle नहीं लेना हमने. You can take this triangle. This triangle can be taken out. This triangle can be taken. You can join these two lines now. So this is f of x axis and this is y axis. So this is the base. I've already told you yesterday. This is the base. This is the base, and this is perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. This is known as perpendicular. Perpendicular means there are three things: base, perpendicular. You can just write it like that also. Perpendicular. So perpendicular can be written as like this. Perpendicular. We can write the short form of the perpendicular. This is the base of this triangle, because whenever theta is there, theta means like angle, the line that is making an angle, that becomes the base, and this is the 90-degree angle. So this becomes perpendicular. So this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. So what will be the value of the sine theta? Sine theta is equal to p by h. This is h. mg is h. This is h, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, this is h, mg. So sine theta is equal to p by h. Sine theta is equal to p by h. P by h कितना हो जाएगा? P by h will be, this is p, this is p, so this is x-axis, this x-axis. So we denote it by f of x. F of x, and this is divided by h कितना mg, so mg. So if we multiply here, this will go here. So f of x is equal to mg sin theta. mg sin theta. Sin theta. So next is f of y. f of y will be cos theta. Cos theta is equal to cos theta is equal to b by h. So this is the base. This is the base. So f of y divided by, this is hypotenuse, which is mg. So when we multiply this cos theta by mg, cross multiplication, so f of y is equal to mg cos theta. mg cos theta. Cos theta. So this is the confirmation x-axis, and this is another confirmation y-axis. So इसकी जगह f of x is in x-axis, that will, this will be ma, because acceleration is this direction. So m mass into acceleration will be in the opposite direction. So we have to replace this f of x by ma. So ma. This is the same equation यहाँ पे जो आई हुई है. This is the same equation ma. This is the same equation we got here. And on the y-axis n is equal, this is n is equal to mg cos theta. So ये जो है, this will be replaced by f of y will be replaced by n. Here n will be there. N is equal to mg cos theta. mg cos theta. Next case is body pulled parallel to the inclined plane. So here this will be the same thing here. This case is the same, but parallel to the plane. So force is in this direction, and mg sin theta is in this direction. So f minus mg sin theta is equal to ma. ma will be in the opposite direction of acceleration, like this side. Minus f minus sin theta, this will be ma. ma इस साइड हो जाएगा ना, because ma is the opposite side of the mass into acceleration. So this is ma. So f is in this direction. So f is equal to f is in this direction. F is equal to mg sin theta plus ma. mg sin theta sin theta. mg sin theta plus MA. So this will be like this equation. Yeah, this will, when we take it in this left hand side, the sign is converted and this equation is formed. Similarly, n is equal to, n is in this direction, and this n is equal to mg cos theta. This is there. So the body is at rest. The body moved. Case number 3 is a body pulled parallel to the inclined plane. So in this case also, force is in this direction. Force is in upward direction. Acceleration is in this direction. So opposite of the acceleration will be MA. So F plus MA, F plus MA, F plus MA, F plus MA is equal to mg sin theta is equal to also F plus MA is equal to F plus MA is equal to mg sin theta. Mg sin theta. Mg sin theta. Because MA is in the opposite direction of the acceleration. These are in the opposite direction. Opposite direction of the acceleration is MA. MA is in the opposite direction. MA in this direction, it will be MA, mass into acceleration in the opposite direction of the acceleration. This time acceleration होती है, इसके opposite direction में होता है. This is in the opposite direction of it. So the case 4 is body accelerating up the incline under the effect of two forces. The two forces are applied here, F1 and F2. So one force is in this direction, another is in this direction. So MA will be in this direction. This is the direction of MA. मतलब mass into acceleration will be in the opposite direction of the acceleration. So इसका हो जाएगा F1 mg sin theta, mg sin theta plus F2. नहीं, mg sin theta plus mg plus F2 plus MA, यानी कि mg sin theta mg mg sin theta is in this direction. mg sin theta तो यहाँ लिख लेंगे, mg sin theta in this direction plus F2 plus F2 in this direction plus MA plus MA. A is equal to mg sin theta plus F2 plus MA is equal to in this direction is equal to F1 because F1 is in this direction, opposite direction. So ये जो which are the in the same direction, I have added it. So if we go for the f1 minus f2, ma को इधर ही रहना था, तो this equation will be formed, because when we take in this opposite direction, this will be the minus direction, minus sign. So this equation is formed. The same equation is formed. Next is f1 minus f2. Case 5 is body accelerating up the incline under the effect of horizontal forces. So here there are a lot of forces coming back here. Body accelerating and up the incline, it is moving up, so the ma will be in this direction. Mass into acceleration will be in the opposite direction of the acceleration, so ma will be in this direction, ma will be in this direction, and force f1 is in this direction, f. So n is equal to mg cos theta here, plus f1 sin theta, this direction. ये प्लस हो जाएंगे सारे. n is equal to mg cos theta plus f1, because in the n, these are in the opposite direction, and these are in the same direction, so उसको प्लस कर दिया. Parallel to the plane, f1 cos theta, this is f1 cos theta minus mg sin theta, the opposite direction, and this is minus mg sin theta, equal to ma. ma is in this direction. So अगर हम इसको निकालेंगे तो that will be f1 cos theta, तो इधर है, तो we'll write f1 cos theta, f1 cos theta and then it is in this direction, equal to ma plus mg sin theta, mg sin theta. mg sin theta. So the next case is body accelerating down the incline under the effect of horizontal force and gravity. So acceleration is in this direction, so opposite direction will be m into a. So in this case, this is ma and this is mg sin theta, and so f sin theta का अच्छा ये रहा ना, ठीक है, f cos theta n parallel to the plane is parallel to the plane, ये plane है ना, this is parallel to the plane is mg sin theta and mg sin theta plus, so we'll write mg sin theta. This is same equation will be formed, mg sin theta plus f cos theta, f cos theta, ये रहा ना f cos theta, so this will be f cos theta f cos theta is equal to ma. ma is in the opposite direction, ma इस direction में ma, तो equal to ma आ गया. So we just got the same equation. ये equation आ गई हमारी parallel to the plane. Parallel to the plane. Body accelerating up the incline under the effect of two horizontal forces acting opposite direct sides of the body and gravity. Body accelerating up the incline under the effect of two horizontal forces. So there are two horizontal forces are there. One is acceleration is upwards under incline under the effect of two acting on the body opposite sides. So this is force number 1 F1 and this is force number 2 F2. So here the MA will be in the opposite direction, mass into acceleration. This will be in the opposite direction of the acceleration. Mass into force will be opposite direction of the acceleration. So this is parallel to the plane. So parallel to the plane, this is the plane and we have to get it parallel to the plane. Parallel to the plane कौन सा हो जाएगा? This is the mg sin theta 1 and f1 cos theta 2 and f2 cos theta. F2 cos theta is equal to MA. MA is in the opposite direction of the acceleration. जिसमें एक्सलेशन आ रही है उसके ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा और ये सब इसके फैक्टर्स हो गए F1 cos थीटा. F1 cos थीटा तो इस डायरेक्शन में है तो इसको इस डायरेक्शन में ले लेंगे F1 cos थीटा और F1 cos थीटा इस डायरेक्शन में. इस डायरेक्शन इज MA प्लस MA F1 cos theta is this direction, MA is in this direction, तो plus MA is equal to ये वाला है ना parallel to the plane. This is parallel to the plane. Parallel to the plane. Parallel to the plane. This is parallel to the plane. यानी कि this is the plane. You have to choose the parallel to the plane plus MA. ये दोनों डायरेक्शन इक्वल टू F2 cos थीटा इक्वल टू. अच्छा ये भी है ना, तीन आ जाएंगे इसमें. तो 3 mg sin थीटा is also there. So plus mg sin theta, mg sin theta parallel to the plane. Parallel to the plane. mg sin theta is this. F1 cos theta is this. MA is this equal to F2 cos theta. F2 cos theta. F2 cos theta. Because we have to see whether in the same direction. These are the in the same direction. This is the other direction. So we will place. So this equation will be MA will be here, and this is transferred to the other side. So this is. This will be MA is equal to MA. So this is the same equation we will get now. MA is equal to F2 cos theta F2 cos theta minus F1 cos theta minus mg sin theta. mg sin theta. So we got the same equation here. Next is vertical plane. So vertical plane के body is pushed against the vertical plane by horizontal forces and moving vertically downward. So we have body pushed against plane against the vertical plane. This is against the vertical plane by horizontal force and moving vertically downward. So a lot of topics are there in this. Body pushed against the vertical plane by the horizontal wear force and moving vertically downwards. For the horizontal direction, mg is equal to ma. Because force is in this direction, so come for vertical direction, this is horizontal. Force is in this direction. Acceleration is in the direction of the acceleration. We have to place that opposite. ma is opposite of it. इसके क्या opposite हो जाएगा ma. I'll write ma here, so we can equate it. ma. So this is equal to this, because in the y-axis this is in the opposite sides. So this is equal to, so we get the equation of this. We got the change button. So this is when body is pushed against the vertical plane by the horizontal force and moving vertically downward. For vertical direction, f is equal to n. F is equal to n. Case 2 is body pushed against the vertical plane by the horizontal force and pulled vertically upward. It was pulled downwards. It was moving vertically downwards. Vertically downwards. And here it is vertically pulled vertically upwards. Pulled vertically upwards. So the vertical direction will be in this direction, will be the acceleration is in this direction, so this will be ma in this direction, opposite of the acceleration. The body is pushed against the vertical plane by the horizontal force and pulled vertically upward. So body pushed against the vertical plane by the horizontal force and pulled vertically upward. So this will be f2. f2 is in this direction, so f2 is equal to ma plus mg. f2 is equal to ma plus mg. ma plus mg. Please do subscribe my channel and like my video, because it will boost my morale. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Body push downwards. This is because this is in the acceleration is in this direction, so mass into acceleration will be in the opposite direction. Opposite direction of the, so f2 is equal to ma plus mg. So f2, this equation will be formed. For the vertical direction, this is there. If we transfer this mg towards the opposite direction, so that it will be this equation will be formed. So next is for the horizontal direction. This is the horizontal direction. N is equal to f1. N is equal to f1. This is opposite, so this will be n is equal to f1. ये हो जाएगा, ठीक है. Next is case 3. Body pushed against the vertical plane by inclined forces. So here this is theta, so this will be the base of this triangle. If we draw a line connecting these two vertices, these are the two vertices of this force, and we have to join this line so that we can make up a triangle, right angle triangle, right angle at, suppose this is theta. So this will be the base. Here we have to understand that how to calculate the cos theta and how to calculate the sin theta. So this is the base of this triangle, base of this triangle, and this is the perpendicular. This is perpendicular. So this is the perpendicular. So sin theta will be how much? Sin theta is equal to p by h. Sin theta is equal to p by h. So इसमें p is this one. Suppose it is like f of x. Sin theta is equal to f of x. Sin theta is equal to f of x divided by sin p by h. h कितना हो जाएगा इसमें? h will be f. So this is f. f को इधर ले जाएंगे तो s sin theta हो जाएगा. If you take f in the opposite direction, so fx is equal to f sin theta. Fx is equal to f sin theta. F of x is equal to f of sin theta Please subscribe my channel, and f of sine theta f of x is equal to f of x is equal to f of sine theta f into sine theta. तो एक्स एक्सिस का दिस इज एफ साइन थीटा एफ ऑफ एक्स क्या हो जाएगा, ये वाला एफ ऑफ एक्स है ना, तो दिस इज एफ ऑफ साइन थीटा, ये एफ ऑफ साइन थीटा इस साइड हो जाएगा ना एक्स एक्सिस की तरफ एफ ऑफ साइन थीटा, एंड व्हाट इज द कॉस थीटा, we can continue it in the next session. Thanks for watching. Thanks for support. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.